Ladies and gentlemen, and all you wonderful people out there who may not be data science pros but are curious to dive into the world of data magic. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey through the data science roadmap. We are about to embark on an adventure that demystifies this ever evolving field, and by the end of this chat, you'll be itching to unleash your inner data wizard. So grab a comfy seat and maybe a cup of your favorite beverage and let's get started. Chapter 1: The Data Science Introduction. Picture this: you're walking into an old library with dusty books, some of them centuries old. Now replace those books with computers, and that library is the internet. Data is everywhere, from the clicks you make while browsing your favorite website to the weather stats on your app. It's all data. Data is science is like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, we uncover hidden stories within data. Our goal is to transform data into actionable insights. Now let's kick off our journey by discussing the foundation of data science. Laying the groundwork. Data science is built on three pillars: statistics, programming, and domain knowledge. It's like having three legs of a stool. Take one away and things can get wobbly. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it may sound. Statistics. This is all about understanding and analyzing data. Think of it as the magnifying glass that helps us look closely at the patterns and relationships hidden within. Probability, distributions, and statistical tests are the tools of the trade. But you don't need to be a math genius. There are plenty of user-friendly resources and tools out there to make this part accessible. Programming. We use programming languages to wrangle and manipulate data. Python is like our trusty Swiss Army knife. It's not only easy to learn, but there's a fantastic community to help you along the way. You don't need to be a coding guru, just learning the basics will take you far. Domain knowledge? Think of this as your secret decoder ring. It's all about understanding the context of your data. Whether it's in medicine, finance, or any other field, you need to know what you are dealing with. Don't worry, this comes with time. You'll learn as you go. So chapter 3, the data journey. Once you've got your basics in place, it is time to embark on the data journey. This is where the real fun begins. Imagine you are a detective and your data is your crime scene. Here's what you do. Data collection. This is where you gather your clues. It could be from databases, spreadsheets, or even sensors. Remember, not all data is good data. You need to sift through and pick the right pieces for your puzzle. Data cleaning. Data can be messy. There can be missing values, duplicates, or even outliers. Your job is to clean it up and make it presentable. Think of this as polishing your magnifying glass. Data exploration. Now you start to play with your data. You visualize it, you look for patterns, and you start to understand what's going on. This is where the real insights start to emerge. Model building. This is where the magic happens. You use your statistical and programming knowledge to build models that predict, classify, or help you understand your data even better. It's like fitting puzzle pieces together. And model evaluation. Just like a detective's hunch, you need to test your models. Are they accurate? Do they really solve the problem that you are trying to address? This is a critical step to make sure your conclusions are sound. So chapter 4, sharing the story. Your detective work is complete. You've solved the case and now it's time to share your findings. This is where you become a storyteller. Remember, not everyone's a data scientist, so you need to communicate your insights effectively. Data visualizations. Visuals are your best friends here. Graphs, charts, and even simple infographics can help people understand complex ideas. It's like creating a visual map of your data journey. Explain like I'm five. You don't need to impress people with jargon. Explain your findings in a simple term. Imagine explaining a detective story to a 5-year-old. That's the level of clarity we are aiming for. Impact. Show how your findings can make a difference, whether it's improving business operations, saving lives, or even making the world a better place. Connect your work to real-world impact. Chapter 5. The ongoing journey. Now that you're well on your way, remember that data science is a lifelong adventure. This field is ever-changing and there's always more to learn. Continuous learning. Stay curious and keep learning. Follow blogs, read books, take online courses. There are endless resources to help you level up. Community. Join the data science community. It's a supportive and vibrant world. You'll find mentors, peers, and friends who share your passion. Ethics. As a data detective, you have a responsibility. Ensure your work is ethical and respect people's privacy and data rights. And Chapter 6. Specialization. Once you've got your basics down, you can start carving your own path in data science. There are countless areas of specialization to explore, from machine learning to data engineering and beyond. Here are a few areas to consider. Machine learning. If you enjoy the predictive aspect of data science, you might want to dive deeper into machine learning. This involves building models that can learn and make predictions from data. And data engineering. Data doesn't magically appear, it needs to be collected and processed. Data engineers work on designing systems to manage and process data efficiently. Big data. As the name suggests, this field deals with large volumes of data. It's all about using tools and techniques to handle and analyze data at a massive scale. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP is all about teaching computers to understand human language. It's a fascinating area if you are into text analysis and language-related applications. Data analytics. This is more about exploring data to extract insights rather than building complex models. It's great for those who love visualizing data and answering business questions. Chapter 7. Q&A. Before we wrap up, let's open the floor to questions. I'm here to address any queries or concerns you may have about data science. Remember, there's no such thing as a silly question when it comes to learning. So question 1. What's the difference between data science and machine learning? Data science is a broader field that involves collecting, cleaning, and exploring, as well as analyzing data, while machine learning is a subset of data science that focuses on building models to make predictions or classifications using that data. In a way, machine learning is one of the tools in a data scientist's toolkit. Question 2. How do I stay motivated when the going gets tough in data science? Staying motivated is crucial. Celebrate small wins, set achievable goals, and connect with others in the data science community. When you see the real-world impact of your work, it's a powerful motivator. Question 3. Can I pursue a career in data science without a formal degree in the field? Absolutely. While formal education can be helpful, many data scientists come from diverse backgrounds. What matters most is your passion, willingness to learn, and your ability to apply data science skills to real-world problems. Question 4. What's the best way to keep up with the fast-paced changes in data science? Well, the field evolves quickly, but don't feel overwhelmed. Stay curious, read blogs, follow experts on social media, and participate in online communities. Online courses and tutorials are also excellent for staying up to date. So, Chapter 8, wrapping it up. Our journey through the data science roadmap is coming to a close, but your adventure is just beginning. Remember, this is not an exclusive club. Anyone can be a data scientist. All it takes is curiosity, perseverance, and a love for solving puzzles. So, to all the aspiring data detectives out there, I hope this roadmap has shed some light on the fascinating world of data science. Embrace the adventure, make mistakes, and keep learning. As the great Sherlock Holmes once said, data is not just a clue, it is the key to unlocking the mysteries of our world. Go forth and unlock those mysteries, my friends, and never stop exploring the data universe. Thank you for joining me on this journey.